In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can convert an mp3 file to mp4 file. For converting an mp3 file to mp4 file, we will be using FFmpeg. So in this example, we will be using this mp3 file 2.mp3 and this test.jpg file. So open the command prompt and type the following command: mpeg the name of the image file, it's test.jpg, and the name of mp3 file. Now we will specify the video encoding algorithm for this. And the audio encoding will be done using AAC encoder. And the bitrate for this video will be 192K. You can specify 128 or any bitrate you want. Then we will specify the pixel format. YUV 420p gives a resolution of 1080p when used with libx264 video encoder. The name of the output file. Just press enter and your conversion has been started. It will take some time depending on the length of your audio file. And the mp3 file has been converted into mp4 file. Let's test the mp4 file. This is output.mp4. As you can see, our mp3 file has been converted into mp4 file. So there are many use cases when you want to use an mp3 conversion to mp4. For example, if you want to upload an audio file to YouTube, so YouTube only accepts files of some video format like mp4, mov, etc. So in this case, you can use FFmpeg for conversion from mp3 to mp4, and it's totally offline. You don't need to go to any online website and convert the mp3 files to mp4 files. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos about FFmpeg. Thank you. And also please like my video.